Hello and welcome to another episode of my T5 camper conversion. In this episode we're gonna be installing a 12mm plywood flooring covered with Altro safety vinyl. Here you can see me, I already insulated half of a floor with Dodo Superliner. It's a closed cell foam. And I wish I didn't, because ideally I would have bonded the 9mm ply first between all these raised ridges. We're all about 9mm high, so 9mm ply would work just perfectly. But because I already installed this 6mm Dodo Superliner, I didn't want to rip it all out and waste it. So what I'm doing here, I'm just installing a 5mm XPS underlay using a double-sided tape. As I said, ridges are only 9mm high, and 5mm XPS underlay and the 6mm Dodo Superliner, it's 11mm, but because it's a foam it compresses nicely, so it shouldn't be a problem. On my second part of the van, as I said, I've used the 9mm ply packers, and I did bond them down to the floor using a Sikaflex 221.
Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you?
If you ever bonding anything down, just make sure surfaces are clean, free from dust and degreased as well.
Can we talk about me and you?
And it's after about 24 hours it's time to insulate the rest of the floor using a 6mm Dodo Superliner. I'm doing it on a cold winter day, so my heat gun helping me out big time. And once we insulate the rest of the floor, it's time to put our ply flooring down. Best practice is to use 12mm hardwood ply throughout. Ideally you would want one single piece of ply for your floor, but because it's a long wheelbase van, it's hard to get an oversized ply sheet, so I had to use 3 different pieces. But if you're going down the road, I went, just make sure you put one big single piece where your main traffic area will be, just by a sliding door. As you can see here, I've marked where the ridges are underneath the ply, so I will be screwing my floor down, so I want my screws to go on the top of the ridges. I didn't want to make a lot of the holes in the van, so my original plan was to screw floor down to the 9mm ply packers using 20mm screws. Then it didn't quite work, so I've tried 25mm screws. It was much better. Because I'm gonna have a full width rock and roll bed at the back, it will be held down by 8 M12 bolts, which will be screwed through the floor, so that floor is going absolutely nowhere. And then up front, where I didn't have a ply packers, I've used the self-tapping screws, about 32mm. Just make sure you don't have anything underneath your van so you can anything you can damage.
I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? The truth. I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And once your floor is screwed down, maybe it's a good idea to go around with a polyurethane adhesive to fill all the joints, so your floor becomes like a one single piece of clay. Now, because plywood is a natural material, it's a wood, so it expands and contracts, so I left about 5 mm an expansion gap all around the one. It sets in about 20 minutes, and once it's set, it can be cut down flush with your floor. helps a great deal if you have an old floor, so you can use it as a template to cut out your Altro flooring.
Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
Hooked Stanley knife blade works the best for cutting the floor out. Just when you are cutting it out, just make sure you cut it out a couple of inches bigger from your marks, so you can trim it back a little bit later if you have to.
You. Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know.
As you can see here, my play sheets were a little bit different color, so we're from two different suppliers, so we were a little bit different thicknesses, so I had a little bit of a lip. So to tackle this problem, I've used the wood filler just to smooth that lip out a little bit. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Where you feel, yeah. Where you know.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah.
Took me 3 coats to get it perfect. Now you will never feel that lip underneath your feet. Once it's all sanded down and cleaned, it's time for a primer. Now guys, everything I do use in this video, I'm gonna leave a links in the description for you below.
Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
Here just came back next day once a primer dried. Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Trick in here is to use not too much adhesive and not too little, just write them out and spread it out with your notched trowel.
Will you feel? Yeah. Will you know? Will you touch? Will you feel? Yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you?
And once you put your first side down, make sure you get rid of all the air pockets. I found this block of hardwood worked the best for me. I even tried to use this baker's roller, but I didn't like it. It was very hard to do. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna
know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, no, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
Now again, once you put your second part of flooring down, make sure you get rid of all the air pockets. This is how I put my flooring down. It takes a bit of a long time, it takes about 3 or 4 days, but it does really worth it at the end. Now guys, thank you ever so much for watching my videos. If you like it, give us a like, drop us a comment, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you at the next one. Cheers!